Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to verify email address on Discord. So it's very simple. You just have to open your Discord app and go to your profile. So here in the top you can see the settings sign. Just click on that and go to account. So here in the top the Discord says please check your email to verify your account and keep current username. So just click on verify, and here if you want to change your email, just click on change email, or if you want to resend the email, just click on resend the email. After all, you just have to go to Gmail and check your notification about Discord. So here you have to verify email and just go to email continue. So like this way you can just verify your email in your Discord. Thanks for watching the video, and please follow for more contents and do not forget to subscribe.